Alright guys, quick review of swing case for Toyota Tundra. And this is a swing case, the most versatile truck storage box on the market. And the feature, it says convenient storage. You can put all these things in there. It swings out and it's lockable and removable. It's from Truck Hero, made in USA, of course. And what else? This is I just took it out of the box. I'm gonna start installing this thing right now. This is how the box looks like. Very good quality materials. Looks sturdy. And on the side, the swing arm logo right here. On the side, it's all metal and metal hinges. It's all metal hinge. Very good quality. And this yellow thing is the latch that you pull out to remove this box from the truck bed. This is the back side. And looks like some kind of cup holder on both sides, and then a little bit of something you can place on screwdrivers and stuff. So on top, looks like key fob and a lock, and it's weather resistant. It's nicely built, and you swing this like that and the box opens up. All metal hinge, and this is also metal. Instruction, installation, looks pretty straightforward. Put it on the side. Comes with 2 keys, flimsy looking keys. Hardware for installation. Box is pretty deep. Put everything back. I think every Toyota Tundra should have this in their bed. This is so useful. This is so useful. Let's see what else the box says. Wow, 2 will be awesome if you have a lot of stuff to carry. I don't have much stuff to carry with me, but 2 would be nice. Made from high density ABS, simple to install, easy to access. Bring it to you or take it with you. Swing case. That's pretty much it for initial. The next shot will be me installing the swing case to my Toyota Tundra. Peace. Step 1 is to take this hook out of the truck's bed, but the most difficult part is taking the liner off this damn thing. Took me forever to get this liner cleared out, and the liner goes inside the screw, and you have to I have to use like a burning tool to burn the liner off and take it out inside the screw so I can get it to loose. So I'm gonna take these screw outs and proceed with the installation, and I'll check back later. After taking that hook off, the next step is joining this part to this part by these 2 screws.
Which I did.
So to install these screws on the bed for this bracket, you guys gonna need this size socket, and it's 7x16, 11.1 millimeters or 47.6 millimeters. Pretty much looks like this. Home Depot, quick run. It's like $3 for this thing. It's magnetic, so this thing perfectly fit on these bolts. And I also used my drill bit, and you have to literally drill through the metal. I thought when I took this hooks off, this bracket's gonna somehow mount to this, but not. The hook is pretty much on the way of this bracket. So what you need to do is you need to install this bracket on this railing, and you have to drill it through the metal. And those screws are drillable screws, and just use this on them, and it's pretty easy. You know, if you have a strong enough drill, it'll go through the metal. When drilling through the metal, remember, pressure and consistency is key. You know, keep putting pressure and drilling through, and then you will get through. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the truck bed needs to go through the metal, and on the other side you have these two screws also you need to install. And once you're done with this, and pretty much your job is done. This box, these both holes, line it to these hooks. They go inside these two brackets, okay? And let me show you. I hope you can see that on the camera. Little struggle. And then once it's done, that's pretty much it. Well, no, next thing you need to do is just slap this in. Boom. And the installation of the swing arm is complete. Pretty sturdy, all metal casings. It's not shaking, no movement. Very well built system. Let me try to pull it out. Swing it out. So it works. Yeah. It does, if you guys were wondering, it does block the LED lights, but yeah, that's what you have to sacrifice, I guess. That's pretty much it, guys. Toyota Tundra swing case installation and review done. Thank you.